Like every year, the Grimley Trophy will soon be awarded to the best student in Scare School. The one with the highest grade average will win this precious trophy. Last year, the winner was Casper. And the year before that, the winner was Casper. And the year before that one, Casper.
Don't look like that, Casper. It's not your fault that you've been the best student for, well, ever.
This year, I'm gonna win it. And you're gonna help me, dummy girl.
Oh, yeah? That depends. What do I get in exchange?
I'll give you a set of handmade vampire teeth. How's that?
Vampire teeth? Awesome. So what's the plan? Wow! What is that?
Don't touch that! It's super fragile. It's a Carpathian organ. You just have to turn the handle and... This is gonna be funny. Put this over your ears.
Attention! Starting now, all grades count for double. So, I have a reserve of 5 vampires, 3 ghosts, and 12 zombies. How many of each does it take to scare all the fleshies in a football stadium? Oh, yes, Casper!
Let's turn back time on that ghost creep.
Casper, is that your answer?
But, no, I didn't do it, I promise.
Silence! Casper, go back to your seat.
Me, sir? I know. The answer is 427.
Well done, Thatch. Top marks for you.
Casper, what'd you do that for?
The first one to get to the top of the rope will get the best grade. Think of the Grimley Trophy! Well done, Vance! You get the best grade!
Oh! Do you think there's something really weird going on with Thatch at the moment?
Yeah, he's been acing classes, and he's usually such a dunce. Weird is right.
Yes, Dad. This year I found something horrible to win the Grimley Trophy with. I'll take pictures. You'll be proud of me.
And your grades?
They'll be fine.
I hope so, son. Good luck. Goodbye.
Same to you, Dad. Okay, then, I'm hanging up now. Phew. Talk about pressure.
That's something horrible you mentioned. It wouldn't involve your usual dirty tricks, would it?
Dirty tricks? Me? Dummy girl, your earmuffs. That'll teach you. The Grimley Trophy will be mine at last.
And what are we gonna do about that?
We'll just rewind him back to before he overheard my conversation with my parents.
Did you see that? Thatch is using the music from that organ to put people to sleep and wake them up afterwards.
To win the Grimley Trophy.
We've got to get our hands on that evil thing. And now!
Not so fast. Fighting Thatch with our fingers in our ears won't be easy.
Oh!
I've got a plan. Check it out.
The year 1741. Why bother learning everything by heart? All you need is a decent history book at hand.
Hello there. Not bothering you, I hope.
Huh?
Nope, can't trick us, Thatch. My ears are in this box.
What? What did you say, Mantha? Oh, it's annoying. I can't hear a thing with this on. What'd you say?
Your ribbon!
Too late, Rock. Sweet dreams. Don't take off their earbuds.
Let's go!
You could be more careful, you know, and no running in the hallway.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
They've got away, but don't worry. I've got a plan.
A plan to give me my vampire teeth by any chance?
We'll be safe here. Thatch will never find us in the secret attic.
Hello? Can you hear me?
It's impossible to wake him up like that. The only way is to get Thatch's organ and turn the handle backwards.
Yeah, well, we're gonna have to work out another way to do that. Hey! A copy of the Zombie Book of Stories and Spells! Cool! I've lost mine! Look! How to put someone in a trance! Oh! And the story of the Dark Prince and the bewitching zombie princess!
Forget the book. We've got to get back there and take care of Thatch.
Yeah, you're right. Totally dumb.
Come on.
Thatch, dummy girl, who gave you permission to come?
Into our office.
I've come to receive my trophy. The Grimly Trophy! Finally, I've won you!
Yeah, well, you did cheat a bit to get it.
Turn on the microphone! This year, the Grimly Trophy will be awarded to me! A little bit more to the left. That's it. To the left. Don't touch anything else. That's almost perfect. Thanks for everything, dummy girl, but you know, I don't actually have any vampire teeth for you. What a dummy. Nearly ready for the big photo.
He's got some nerve.
Soon for the cup winner's photo. Just need to set the timer and...
It's now or never. You get down there and find a way to distract him. I'll get the organ.
Mantha, I don't remember seeing you in the group. You wouldn't be pretending to be asleep, would you? And Casper, where is he? I knew it!
We've had enough of this little game, Thatch.
Get back here!
No way!
I'm the winner this time, Casper. How would you like to take a little nap for 2 or 3 centuries?
How are we gonna wake everyone up now?
It's like in the tale. I'm at the moment where the zombie princess tries to wake up the prince.
Yes, the princess kisses the prince, and it wakes him up. What if you tried doing the same thing?
Well, I'm not a princess, for one, and I'm not the type of girl who does embroideries for centuries while waiting for my Prince Charming.
Come on, Mantha. At least try it on raw. We'll see what happens.
Well, okay. You're lucky he's a friend.
Mantha, what are you doing? No!
You see, Mantha? You are a real princess. Now let's get to work.
Kissing the others? Yuck. No way. Never.
Casper, Mantha, on behalf of the Scare School, we are proud
To award you the Grimly Trophy.
What'd you do with Bitch? You're gonna wake him up, aren't you?
The book seemed pretty categorical.
The only way to wake up a vampire is to have a sea monster kiss him.
Fix your compu monster by tonight? No way, Casper.
But I have to hand in a horror story by tomorrow morning.
It'll take days to fix this.
Please? I don't even want to think about what will happen if I don't hand in my homework assignment. Alder and Dash will give me detention until the end of time. Or worse, they might expel me from school.
Oh dear, no! No member of our family has ever been expelled. Well, let me see. I might have something that could help you. Ta-da! A good old typewriter. Achoo!
But that's an antique.
To tell you the truth, I never had much use for it. I'm sure this'll do fine, Casper.
Thanks, Uncle Stretch.
Oh, wow. Your uncle's typewriter gives me the shivers.
Well then, let me see. Once upon a lovely spring morning, Frank and Gym Teacher walked along the street whistling to himself. Huh?
3, 4.
Walked along the street whistling to himself? Your opening is a little corny there, Casper. And if you don't mind me saying so, it's like really not scary.
I've never been much good at being scary, Mantha.
Wait a minute. It was a dark, moonless night. The horrible monster, Frank and Gym Teacher, staggered through the city streets howling. Ooh, your story gives me the creeps, Casper.
Huh? But that's not what I wrote. It's the typewriter. It has a mind of its own. Wait. Professor Frank and Gym Teacher picks a flower.
Horrible Professor Frank and Gym Teacher uproots a tree with his bare hands?
That's crazy. It comes up with horrible stuff all by itself. You're sure to ace the test with this story. You won't write your usual dribble like the little birdies chirped in the prairie.
Yes, but that's actually cheating. I've got a bad feeling about this, Casper.
I don't think Casper has a choice, Mantha.
I don't know about you, but I've got a paper to write. Frank and Gym Teacher smiled as he walked over to the old lady. Wait, ma'am, your hat. The end.
love your new nail polish. Is that beyond the grave?
Done. I handed my scary story into the headmaster just in time.
Great, Casper. Oh.
No.
Good morning, kids.
Did he spend the whole night practicing his clown act or what?
My grandmother wouldn't be seen undead in that hat.
Strange. Reminds me of the hat I wrote about last night.
That was the easiest gym class we ever had.
Attention, children. We're about to announce the results of the horror story writing assignment.
Yes, very ho-hum work overall, except for one spine-chilling story written by...
Casper! You dirty cheat, Casper. How could a friendly ghost like you write a real horror story? I should have been first.
Aren't you bored of playing the Vampire Avenger?
The old lady screamed in terror when the monstrous Franken gym teacher tore off her hat. I love it. Brilliant. That's my favorite part. In fact, it was so brilliant that you were to start on the sequel immediately.
In order to win, we must present a grand horror epic.
But to win what?
Lucky you, Casper. We have entered you in the greatest scary story contest in the other world.
You can write it tonight, and I wouldn't go losing the plot if I were you. Scare School's honor is at stake.
And if you fail, you'll have to wax the nurse's armpits for 245 years.
You should tell them you had a bit of help, Casper, and give the typewriter back to your uncle.
I can't, Mantha. I'll only get in more trouble.
You heard the headmaster. 245 years.
Well, don't say I didn't warn you. Again.
What is this typewriter they were talking about?
I wonder. Let's try a Thatch story. Thatch the Vampire's Day begins with...
Vampire!
He waves to a passerby. He loved playing with the residents of Deedstown. And he went home to school after a lovely night on the town. Soon, lots of people from the school felt like going out for a breath of fresh air. Wolfie, Mosshead, Dummyfield, Slither, and even Professor Burns arrived with the school nurse. The nice Woofie starts yelping and playing with the park car. Burns and the school nurse are quietly having dinner at the restaurant.
Let's see.
Mommy, I want to go see the statue.
Whoa. Super creepy. Are you going to finish it?
Later. That's enough for one night. Did you see her cap?
And they just appeared like that?
Yeah, it's strange. Last night, the typewriter wrote the dummy girl got into a taxi, and now she has a taxi driver's hat on her head.
Oh, look at Burns! That menu! Listen to this. The dragon vents his fury, terrorizing the whole restaurant.
Yes, today we're going to learn about grilled steak, King Arthur's style.
Mantha, you were right. Everything I write on this machine happens for real. Let's get rid of it. It's awful. It's my fault they all went to Deedstown. Don't care about the contest. Or the nurse's armpits.
But Casper, 245 years.
Guys, anyone seen Thatch?
Ha ha! Revenge!
Casper! Thatch!
So, the bird-brained ghost finds himself in the lovely forest when three pretty squirrels approached him.
Thatch!
Huh? Mantha? Raw? Ah! His two stupid friends, Mantha and Raw, join him. What? No! That darn zombie! Thought I'd gotten rid of her! Ah!
Raw, you handle Thatch. You, Mantha, the door. I'll take care of the typewriter.
Go! Run for it, Casper!
I gave the typewriter back to my uncle, and then I wrote an end to the story for the contest that is 100% Casper.
And?
I came last, of course.
So you're really gonna have to wax the school nurse's armpits for 245 years?
No. When I went to see her to carry out my punishment, she was busy with Thatch. Ever since she took care of his head, she won't let him out of her sight.
Come on, Patchy Poo. Time to change your little bandages.